Hey, what's up, guys? This is Creative Creator here. Welcome to another episode of Arduino Projects. In this video, I will show you how you can make a relay module for Arduino or any other microcontrollers you are just using right now. And you can also use your Raspberry Pi for powering up it. And for my case, I am just using the Arduino UNO R3 for controlling this. And you can buy from the Amazon or Flipkart, but it is not much cheaper than it. And I have also made a custom circuit board for powering up it, so I can use it in home appliance. So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump into the video. Firstly, for this you just have to understand the codes of this project. So you can see the circuit diagram of this project. I have used many things in this project. This is the relay which I am just using is a 12-volt relay. Those are the relay coils. So we have to just give the power source and connect them to that positions which are seen in the picture. And the middle one and the corner two were the switching portions. Now let me go to the take me to the that portion, and you can see there is a beep sound was coming from the meter, so it means that those were connected with. Okay, so I am connecting to the middle pin, and then after connecting to the middle pin, then you can see when I touch it to that, then the sound was coming, so it means that those were connected. So after when we give the power to the coil, then other one should be activated and the other coil should give the beep sound. It is the coil and there are 3 points. So firstly there is a common pin in normally connected and normally open pin. You can see it is normally connected. So when we energize the coil, when we give the voltage to that coil, and then the coil will be there will be a magnetic field generated, so the coil will connect it to another portion. So it is the main thing of the relay, and there is NC means normally connected and NO means the normally open circuit. Here you can see I have just connected the relay in that position, and there is added a 4148 diode for preventing the back EMF, so it will not damage the transistor which collector is connected to it. So it is the main thing, and this is the LED which is the indicator of the relay when the relay is on or off. So I have just added it. You can also uncheck it because it is the main thing, it is working or not. The LED's big pin is the positive and small pin is the negative. The small pin should be grounded and big pin should be connected with this resistance which is 1k. So after connecting it, it will work when the voltage should come and when the relay would work. You can see there is a transistor which I am just using is a PNP transistor, so you can use those transistor as well, and you can also use BC558 as also Google it for which pins are emitter, base and collector. So in my case these 3906 transistor, in my case the 3906 transistor is emitter is that pin, and middle pin is base, and collector is the right pin. So the base pin you can see connected with a 10k resistor, and then it is a 10k resistor, and the 10k resistor's other pin should be connected to the octocouplers pin. So here you can see the 12 it is a octocoupler. So there is a collector and there is a emitter pin. Collector pin should be connected to the 10k resistor, and emitter pin should be grounded, and this is the 1k resistor which is connected to the anode of the octocoupler. So let's see the video and enjoy. So guys, that's pretty much enough for this video. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.